You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this town, or maybe it's a small city in the south of France. It's famous now for having one of the tallest bridges in Europe, I believe, or in France at least. The French pronunciation here is Millau. If you want to learn more pronunciation, stay tuned because many are coming up. Millau. Yes, AU at the end form the sound O, and then ILL is I. Millau. I know the spelling is a bit confusing, but it's not Millau or Millau, Millau. Millau, you could say in English, Millau. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Thank you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.